Hello, sir. My name is Andi Ahnaf Rayhan Pangerang, and I'm going to be presenting my demos for the OSD second assignment. I will be presenting my features, which I've contributed in this project. My project is a subtitle downloader project, and here's all the details. Maybe which maybe you need it. I also have requested an issues. For my features, I've stated what I want to do and what I want to contribute and what folder I contribute, but until now, I still haven't received any reply yet. Okay, so in order for me to do the project, first I need to clone it, then I download it I make it into zip files. Okay, so let's move on to the code. Okay, so now I'm gonna explain the code. So this is the code part for the main code part for the program for the project. So this is the original code which I haven't enhanced yet. I mean, this one is the original version, and I will show you my version later. So the first features that I'm going to enhance is the language codes. Because I'm going to add another language. And then the second one is the video extensions, which almost the same as the language one. I'm going to add another uh, video extensions. And then for my third feature, is this code. I'm going to enhance it uh, for the for its function. So what this code does is that currently, let's say the user want to choose a subtitle. Let's say they choose Chinese, and then after that they want to change to English. So this code does execute it well. It does change the subtitle from English from Chinese to English, but from the choice of list of the subtitle inside the video, it doesn't delete the Chinese one. So the Chinese one, it will still be there, and on the list the choices. And I wanted to change it so that the Chinese will get deleted, so it will look more cleaner, more simple, so it won't look like a stack. uh, this is the current code. Let's just to test run this the current code, the original one, to see if there's any bug or not. And then turns out it runs perfectly fine. There's no bug inside. So okay, moving on to my enhanced version. So as you can see, I add another language, which is Indonesian. You can see here that it doesn't have any Indonesian yet, so I add it. And then on the video extension for my second features, I add another two extension, which is the first one is SWF, which is the format for the Adobe Flash Player, and then the second one is MSWMM, which is the Microsoft Windows Movie Maker format. And then for the third features, I change it. So from this, from the input underscore path dot replace, I change it into re.sub input underscore path. So what does this thing work is that which I've mentioned earlier, it will delete the old subtitle on the list of choices inside the video, so it will look more cleaner. It will not look like a stack. Okay, so let's test run the code first to see if my enhanced version is working perfectly well. And turns out it does work well. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how does the program works. Okay, so for example, let's say I use only English and Indonesian, so I delete this all the language first. Hang on, until Indonesian. Okay. Okay, now let's see if this run still runs perfectly first. And okay, it still runs. So for from the extensions, I can only use it the formats which are mentioned here. So let's say I'm gonna use MKV. Okay, so let's move on to the practical part. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the practical how the program works. So I choose a movie already. So we'll test it. So they don't have any subtitle yet. Okay, so now I will show you how it works. So we will choose the movie file first. And then we right click the movie files, and then we search for the send to, and then after we click send to, we search the subtitle.cmd. So this file, the subtitle.cmd, was downloaded from the Git repository earlier. So what you need to do is that after you download the repository, you need to open the file called bin, and then you move the subtitle.cmd file into the send to folders. After that, the program will work. If you have done that, the program will work. So after that, we can open the movie again. So right now still have no, but because earlier I choose English and Indonesian, so this one should appear. Okay, as you can see, the program works. This is the English one. As you can see, it already appears. And then I choose Indonesian also. See, and it works. It works perfectly fine. Okay, so I'm gonna be. So that's how the program works, and then and to see that all of my features work perfectly fine also inside the program. So now I'm gonna be ending my demo presentation. Uh, Thank you, sir. Uh, and that's all from me. Thank you.